Hey everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice, like Portuguese.
E é detalhado sobre o vídeo do Estabo, curar níveis e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Before we start the video, Discord's birthday is tomorrow. We could get 1 week free Nitro, or even 1 month, or at least the ones who are eligible. So make sure to claim it when it arrives. Anyway, I got this email from Discord about the Nitro rewards. Discord just launched Nitro Rewards. It's basically a new section in your Nitro tab where they give you free stuff from other brands. It doesn't cost anything extra, but it's only for full Nitro members. Basic and Classic users are out. Xbox Game Pass Starter Edition. The biggest perk is the Xbox Game Pass Starter Edition. It gives you a library of over 50 games to download and play, plus 10 hours of cloud gaming every month. It's mainly for people who don't already have an active Xbox sub. If you cancel Nitro, you lose access to this. Monthly gear discounts. They also added monthly discount codes for Logitech G and SteelSeries. For Logitech, it's 30% off most things, and for SteelSeries, you get a discount on orders over $20. You can actually go back and claim a brand new code every single month as long as the offer is live. How to find it if you don't see it yet, don't worry. They're rolling it out slowly over the next few weeks. To check, just go to your Nitro Home tab on your computer or browser. You'll see a section called Nitro Rewards, where you can claim all your codes and links. Anyway, as for the 5 months Nitro part, I've already made a video on it. But to summarize it, GearUP, Tracker GG, and perhaps Xbox are giving away free Nitro. I will ask you to hold off on claiming it just yet because, as I mentioned earlier, Discord's birthday is tomorrow, which is May 13th. The celebration goes on for 1 month. Within that 1 month, you could get a free 1 week Nitro. Last year, you didn't require to use payment method as it just popped on the screen, and you had to just click the claim button to snag it. So yes, make sure to claim your rewards tomorrow. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button to get free Nitro news on time. Or you can just miss it. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.